You ever feel like not working out? That's me today. But come and join me because I need some encouragement too. It's about to be 2026 and I put on a few pounds eating those cookies. Come on and join me. I am using lace-up weights today. It's optional and we have some good music. All right, come on in. All right, let's relax those shoulders. They're down and back. Just move them a little bit. Soften the knees. Bend them slightly, engage that core. All right, let's do a health bounce. Pushing down on the mat with the whole foot. And breathe. Good breath work is always good. How many of us are shallow breathers? I am. All right, breathe in and blow out. All right, now push down, come on. Health bounce, now let's lift the heels. Just warming up, doing some bicep curls. Back to health bounce. Now just lift off a little bit. And bring your arms up. Just warming up a little bit. All right. Back to left and right heel. Get the lymphatic system moving. Excuse me. I should have got some water. All right, let's go. Relax the fingers if you're using weights and concentrate on that bicep. Good, all right. Now step touch, quick. And bring your arms out to the side. Pull back. Bring them down, step touch. Out to here, side and circle. Can you step touch and circle at the same time? Concentrate. And backwards. And down. Step touch. Out. Back. And pull. Good, all right. Shake that out a minute. Let's go to the next song. You can put these around your wrist if you want. I just like holding them in my hands. All right. March. Are you engaging that core? Suck that stomach in. Let's go. Really pump those arms. Come on, you got this. Keep it going. March, march. Getting to the end. And breathe. Come on, 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yay, shake it out. All right. Are you ready? Scissors. Doubles. With the hammer curl. Now, heels. Heel digs. You can do doubles. Switch to toes. Punch. All right, bounce and heel. Throw these down. Bounce and heel. And bounce a toe. Bounce, toe tap. Toe ponies. These are ponies. And heels. Good. Finish with health bounce. All right. Good. All right, rest for a minute. All right, give me a second. Let's pull his hair back. Out and in. Double out, double in. All right, pick it up, half jack. To full jacks. Come on, you got this. How you doing? All right, shake it out. double side. Shake, shake, shake. And singles. Have a little fun here. Come on. See, once I get started, then I feel better. But getting started, sometimes I don't want to do it. All right, good. All right. Next one is going to be heel to the front, toe to the back. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Soften the leg you're standing on, slightly bent. Really engage the core. You don't want to put pressure on your back. Heel, toe. You are in the center of the mat. Ready? We're going to switch. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. And one more time, 4 times. And 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. That's it. Oh, wait. Sorry, that's not it. We got to do the hopscotch. And we got to do the twist. All right, start in the middle of the mat. We're going to do 2 and 1 hopscotch. Ready? 2, 1. Two and 1. Crisscross your arms. Once you get the feet first, okay? Then use your arms. Keep it low impact. You want to keep your arms down here. Move it up to about shoulder width, shoulder height, I mean. You're going to kick it up really a notch. You're going to hold it over your arm, over your head. I'm not doing that today. 2 and 1. Let's go. You got this. All right, twist. 2, 3, 4. Other side. 2, 3, and twist. 2, 3, 4. Other side. Again. 2. Now a full twist. Ready? Keep your torso forward. Just moving the hips and the legs. You're gonna feel it. I love this one. Gives you that hourglass shape. Woo, shake it out. You want to do one more? Let's see. Let's do one more. All right, our birches are falling down. We're going to step up and back. Up and back. Leading with the left or the right. Doesn't matter. Up and back. Up and back. Other side. And switch again. switch. All right, we got to kick it up now. We're going to do a double front, double back. Ready? Looks like this. All right, use your arms now. And last, let's go. Front to back, let's go. I think that's, yeah, we're getting to the end. Oh, I think that's it. Let me see, there might be one more. If not, we will stop it here. Okay? Oh, I think that's it. Yay! All right, thank you so much for joining me. And remember, hydrate, stay hydrated, step off carefully, and we will see you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl. Bye.